Welcome back to the channel. Today is an unboxing time of this gaming chair. But first, let me take back my phone. I got a new thingy over here. It's not painful, just a minute.
Oh hey guys, there you are! This is what I filmed all my videos until now. 4K. Oh yeah. To the chair. So the Titan Evo 2022 series Secret Labs. Full disclosure, I paid full retail price. So I can say whatever the
Subscribe.
I want. Oh yeah. The package is weighing about 35 kilos, so yeah, heavy boy. First looks is nice black aesthetic, so it took about a week to be shipped from Poland to my door here in Belgium. And that's in the middle of the Corona crisis. I would dare to say it's acceptable. So when opening the box, we already can see a lot of marketing wank. We have the tensile test, the breathable test, the 5 feet drop test. I think that's with the box, not just the chair. And the recommended sizes. I have the sizes from 170 to 190 and to 100 kilos and above. I'm a big boy, so yeah. Now opening up. They say it's hand inspected. I think this is more so if you are cutting the box, you're not cutting into the seat. And they double as the instructional manual. This is one heck of a nice instructional manual. I have seen shittier ones than this. Yeah, good job, Secret Lab. Oh yeah, did I tell you that the asking price is 485 euros or something like that, so it's bloody expensive. Welcome home to comfort. We will be testing that out. The Secret Lab Access Kit. So this is a pullout with another book in it, and it's a user manual. So we have the assembly manual, this is the user manual. They want you to clean with their products, obviously. So we got some nice protective cover on the top side. We have the top side of the seat, I think. I chose the cookie and cream. I have 2 dogs. They shed a lot of hair. White hair, I think this color, yeah. Going to set this aside. The 2022 series has the magnetic pillow. The previous one, the one that I tested, had the strap around the back. Yeah, that didn't work for me. I'm excited to test this. We have a box over here. Oh, so these are magnetic attachable armrests. We have another box. Yeah. This is the accessory box content. So the wheels, the piston, the armrests. So I think everything will be inside of this box. So one thing I noticed already is that everything is very neatly packaged. Strong magnets. They have to put a warning label on it. Strong magnets. Yeah, right. This is the frame where the wheels are sitting on. Well, this is one heavy boy. Okay, so I think I have everything. Let's put some crap aside and I'll be back. They do provide an assembly video, but I think the pictures are more than clear enough. I'm gonna put this thing right over here. And we're gonna start with the first thing, and that is putting the wheels on the undercarriage. The safety warnings. Come on guys, don't give it to your babies for
Subscribe.
sake. The paint jobs looks very decent. There's not a lot of dust in it. So the wheels are some kind of rubberized plastic. So you have the nice and soft rolling on your floors. These just push in like that. Everything is very nicely packaged, maybe overpackaged, if you ask me. We need to plonk it in, like that. Then you need to put over this, like that. For removing another layer of crap, we have this warning that you have to read the freaking manual before you remove it. Yeah, let's have a look at the manual. I was wrong. We have to start with the backrest. First feeling of this fabric is very nice. I didn't go with the fake leather or the leatherette or the PU like they call it. But I'm sure after 6 years, yeah, you're starting to go notice some peeling on the high stress areas. So my recommendation is never go for the fake leather and just buy the soft weave. Very nice. Okay, we need to remove some screws apparently. Here on the side. We have 2 screws over here and 2 on the other side that need to be removed. I removed the bolts and I found another box in the package. This is the toolkit box that they include with a very nice looking set of tools and some, I guess, spare bolts if you lose some. I don't know. Well, they are definitely not the same size. These are going to be used for something else. I'm going to use the included tools just to get a feel on how good they are. So if you have somebody to help you, please do. Okay, so this slides in like that. We got one bolt in. Next one. I wonder if it clicks. No, it doesn't. It doesn't click, so you can over torque it. These are big bolts, unless they use plastic washers inside or whatever. You're fine. I must say that the quality of everything I'm feeling is very good. I have seen some reviews like the one from David, I think it's called, from his experience with gaming chairs. Yeah. I think this is a class apart. It feels like there needs to be something between it. Let me look at the manual. It doesn't. So this is something I don't like to see. If you look close, there's a bit of a gap between this. I think about 1 centimeter. That doesn't feel great. That really doesn't feel great. But we'll see, we'll see. I think we're good. We're good, guys. The tools they include, very nice. I might actually keep this one. So now they are asking to put on these covers. There are 2 magnets, I think, matching with these bolts. You can see this is a bit taller. First, let's look if we can peel this off. Oh yeah, nice and peelable. Oh yeah, nice. I'm getting excited, guys. Come on. I had some friends swearing this is the chair. I am still not 100% aboard. It's 500 euro. It's still gamery. Enough gabbling. Next. Now they ask us to remove this thing. Great. It's not coming up. We have to remove this safety piece. The safety piece is to ensure that you're not using this lever. This lever will be used to swing the backrest. And I think if you do it without a backrest, this thing will completely fly over. And then you will have bad time assembling this thing. So let's remove this. So the attention for detail is very nice. Even the screw inside is some kind of anodized thread. Purely aesthetic. Yeah, very nice. We did all of that and now they ask us to flip the chair. Oh, great. So there's a picture over here, which is the correct way of putting on these handles. It's going to be mounted like this. So this is going on like that and like that. Putting it on, we have the set they delivered. The 4 screws are in there. So I'm gonna take them out. Now tighten everything up. I think we're almost there, guys. Oh, they tell us we can peel this off. I'm gonna try it. If not, you're staying on, you're staying on. I think we now have to put on the base. Like this. And we will have to turn the chair, I think. Whew. We got it. The armrests, they will go on like this, I think. Cool. And then we have the magnetic pillow with a warning, strong magnets. Come on, guys, strong magnets. Put it in like this. All right. Ooh, this thing is this thing is tilting. Yeah, it's tilting. Woo. So my first thoughts is it's firm. It's very firm. You have the the race car feeling. Firm, but the headrest is, yeah, the headrest is nice. And you can remove it like this. No, yeah, you know, yeah, this is nice. So this is going to be it for this video. We had our first look and I think it's okay at this moment. It's a bit expensive for my taste, but we will see how yeah, good it will be after a few hours of gaming. Now, if you liked what I did over here, then give me a big thumbs up. Maybe subscribe so you will catch my review in a few days or weeks. And guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye! Now I'm going to try to get off without falling, because I am 1 foot over the ground. Yep! Bye!